How to remove voice chat from WhatsApp group. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, firstly tap open your Play Store or App Store if you are on your iOS device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for WhatsApp. Tap on the application. If there is an update button, just leave it for an update. If not, just tap on open. Once you are in your WhatsApp, tap on the chat that you want to remove the voice chat from. As you can see, here is an audio file or the voice chat. In order to delete it, just press and hold onto the voice chat. At the top, you will see a delete icon. Just tap on it. Then select on delete for everyone to select from everyone's feed, or just delete for me to remove it from your chat feed only. I'll be selecting delete for everyone. Now just like that, your message or your voice chat has been removed from your WhatsApp group. Now this is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of a glitch or a bug issue regarding it, you can press and hold onto your app and head to app info. Select on force stop, then head to storage and cache and clear it up. And which brings us to the end of the video as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorial.